Hello, hello. Welcome back to Real Moms Talk. I am Nikita and I'm so happy that you're here. If this is your first time here, which is very likely because it's only our second episode, do check out our previous episode so you can get to know a little bit about who we are and what this podcast is all about. And now on to today's episode, which really is the start of something special. We are kicking off our first deep dive into a movie that for so many of us wasn't just a movie. It was अब वो जानने के लिए तो एपिसोड देखना या सुनना पड़ेगा ठीक है यहीं पे सब बता दिया तो फिर ऐसे नहीं होगा ना एनीवे लेट्स जस्ट से दैट इट वाज अ लॉट मोर देन जस्ट एंटरटेनमेंट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट थ्री इडियट्स a film that came out at a time where many of us were just about to start our own professional journeys. Gosh, I hope I didn't date us just by saying that. Anyway, back then, we, and if you were the same age as us, then maybe even you, watched it as students or young adults just at the start of our adult lives and careers. And with that major milestone, many of us grappled with career choices, some already feeling the weight of expectations from family, society, and the whole world. And now, today, 15 years later, we're watching it through a completely different lens. As parents who know that in what feels like the blink of an eye, soon our children will also be standing at the edge of those same big life decisions. But before we dive in, let me just say this. This is not a movie review. We are not here to comment on the acting, the direction, the screenplay, none of that. We are simply looking at it as a story. We are talking about what felt relatable, what felt like it could actually happen in real life, and what made us think differently now that we have a little bit of life experience of our own. Of course, we know that movies do exaggerate things for drama and entertainment, and all of that is fine. We are just here to chat about what resonated with us and what didn't, what made us reflect on as parents, and what lessons we could take from it. So today we are not just revisiting Three Idiots for nostalgia's sake. We are looking at it with fresh eyes, with quite a bit of experience, a little wisdom through the lens of parenthood, and of course, we have a lot of thoughts and questions. Like, what did we learn from our own journeys? What mistakes are we hoping not to repeat? What kind of guidance do we really want to offer the next generation? Are we qualified to do so? And also, has the movie aged well? Well, there's a lot to unpack, and trust me, we are only just getting started. Because this is part one of a multi episode series on Three Idiots. And if today's conversation has stirred things up, wait till you hear the rest. So, alright, grab your chai, coffee, or whatever's getting you through the day today, and let's dive in. But before that, let me introduce you to today's panel. First up, a mandala maker and soul shaker who blooms where the plants breathe, the mother of a wild hearted girl and a gentle fur baby, a believer of stars, signs, and stories untold, who creates art from her soul, lives with love, and walks with fire in her spirit.
माई फैमिली लाइक मेरी नानी का सपना था कि एक फैमिली में एक ना एक डॉक्टर तो होना ही चाहिए ओके
This is Archita. Next up, an Enthu cutlet with a desi heart, traveling the world and forever ready for her next adventure. She's a friend to all and a parent to one. With coffee in her veins and books by her side, she has an opinion on everything and isn't afraid to share it.
And of course, we are smart enough to understand that real life is different from real life, so they have to make it a little bit larger than life.
This is Nupur. And finally, juggler of things, lover of chaos but craver of calm, with her mind running at a million thoughts per minute and coffee as her not so secret weapon, your host and resident overthinker, yours truly, Nikita. And this is Real Mom's Talk. Alright, let's get talking. But actually, I don't remember the count, but I was able to say Chatur's dialogues with him for some reason, okay? तुम रोगे और मैं हंसूंगा for some reason I remember. वो लास्ट में बोलता है तो वो part of I Sandeep and I was saying these dialogues before they came and we started laughing before the lines came because we knew what was going to come. वो तो count तो नहीं पता but हाँ it's a movie we've also watched a lot of times.
I saw it, obviously, when I saw it when it came out, and then I just saw it now again. And I found it a little difficult to sit through.
Oh,
And I saw it in multiple parts because I was like, yeah, I can't watch this anymore. So I would switch it off and switch back. And I finally finished it today morning. So
hmm.
maybe my opinions will be different.
So do you remember what your first impression was when you saw it first 15 years ago?
Yes, very much, very much. And
तो बोलो फिर.
क्यों अभी वाला नहीं सुनना? You
पहले अरे तो
want to
कॉन्ट्रास्ट पता चलेगा
sing?
ना. First ऐसे as you know these fresh क्या बोलते हैं, the cynicism hasn't hit us, the realities of life haven't hit us until
I
then.
know.
So उस पर्सपेक्टिव से जब भी हमने वो पिक्चर देखी या उस स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ में जब देखी, तब उसका रिएक्शन तो वो अभी भी हमारे लिए शॉकिंग होगा ना. What was
That's true.
it?
I really enjoyed it. It was like one of those movies where you come out and you're like, वाह क्या movie बनाई है सबको देखनी चाहिए. Make sure everybody sees it and like this is the kind of मैं बड़ा होके वो बनूंगी types. So
Hmm. Okay.
I did love it.
Same. Three Idiots for me was like when my brother and I used to keep switching channels to see कि कौन सी मूवी देखनी है और अगर Three Idiots आ रही होती किसी चैनल पे तो then we used to watch Three Idiots. So like
इतनी बार
we
आती थी क्या टीवी पे?
kind of हाँ काफी बार आती थी Three Idiots
अच्छा.
टीवी पे. So we really enjoyed Three Idiots at that point in time, but abhi since we have evolved so much, so I think my perspective about a lot of things from the movie has changed abhi. For me, Three Idiots मतलब fun movie थी
Hmm.
तब. My memory
Okay.
of Three Idiots is like fun to watch movie.
So why don't you tell us, Nikita, what
Hmm.
you thought of this movie when you first saw it?
For me, in that time, so I think the movie was released on Christmas Day 2009. And
Okay.
I watched it in the first 2 weeks of Jan. मतलब within 3 weeks of release, मैंने theater में देखी थी. And at that time, I was internally debating the decision of whether to continue my CA or because my family wanted me to do CA or whether to do writing because that is what I wanted to do. This was like this movie is trying to tell me something that I should follow my heart. And मैं वो फरहान ने जो जो डायलॉग अपने पप्पा को बोले हैं ना वो मूवी में वो सारे वर्ड टू वर्ड मैं अपने माँ बाप को 2 साल से समझाने की कोशिश कर रही थी. ओके कि मुझे नहीं करना है. आई हैव डन दिस इंटर्नशिप. आई हैव सीन व्हाट दिस जॉब इज लाइक. इट्स नॉट फॉर मी. आई कांट डू दिस फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ. आई वॉन्ट टू राइट. हाँ अभी तो वो अब जो उस पे जो रिएक्शन आए फैमिली के वो अलग है. बट एट दैट टाइम आई फेल्ट लाइक the message the movie was trying to give to focus on learning instead of a degree. Okay, focus on excellence, focus on the curiosity to learn versus what is traditionally accepted as a good career was something I could relate to personally a lot,
Mm-hmm.
especially if you're good at it. A lot of people have also they have this false sense of अरे मैं तो ये भी कर सकता हूँ वो भी कर सकता हूँ whatever, but you won't know if you're good or not until you try, and I was never given that opportunity to try. I wanted to do mass media after my JC. नहीं, mass media में तभी नया था. Okay, in those all of this journalism mass media courses were all new. They're like नहीं, एक तो तुमने कॉमर्स लिया है साइंस नहीं लिया, अभी कॉमर्स किया है तो सीए ही करना पड़ेगा. क्यों भाई, जबरदस्ती है सीए करना पड़ेगा? नहीं सुना मुझे. नहीं नहीं तुम स्मार्ट हो तुमसे हो जाएगा. अरे बट दैट इज नॉट द पॉइंट. आई हैड नो आइडिया व्हाट इट वाज अबाउट. सो टू मी it was like a metaphor for my life. And it gave me the courage to tell my parents because I think May 2010 was the last time I wrote my CA final paper. एंड उसके बाद मैंने बोला अब मैं क्योंकि मैं पढ़ भी नहीं थी अगले मेरे को नहीं करना है, तुम लिखा लो मुझसे पेपर, मैं पढ़ने ही नहीं वाली, क्या कर लोगे. So yeah, it gave me the courage to stand up for myself.
Really?
Yeah,
That's interesting. That means this movie actually impacted what you
yeah,
are today.
yeah, yeah. वो
Wow.
अभी I have not क्या बोलते हैं, career graph wise I have not done much, but those are other issues that got in the way, not the fact that I made the wrong decision. But yeah, it did.
Very
Hmm.
interesting.
Like Rancho says कि कामयाब होने के लिए नहीं काबिल होने के लिए पढ़ाई करो.
Correct, correct. वो बोलते हैं ना सक्सेस को मत चूज करो, एक्सेलेंस को चूज करो.
Excellent.
अपने
Right.
you're good at what you're doing doesn't matter automatically, or the output will be good, right? Whatever you're trying to do. Yeah. Okay. When you saw it again now.
Nupur has too much to say about. I think I I see what you are saying, and I appreciate that that's what the message
Hmm.
of the movie was.
Mm-hmm.
But if you really think about it, it's so unrealistic, right? Like it's almost blown to, it's been made, projected to such a large degree, exaggerated so much कि real life में ऐसे होता नहीं है, is what I'm saying, right? Like what you were saying, you have to be really good at something to follow that as a passion, and not everybody is. But in a movie, oh, he wrote a letter and he got an internship and he became a world famous
Hmm.
photographer, and things like that,
Hmm.
they were over exaggerated, for sure. So, and of course, we are smart enough to understand that real life is different from real life, so they have to make it a little bit larger than life. But I found that there were so many wrong things also that the main characters were doing,
Hmm.
um, that the end didn't justify the means for me, in
Hmm.
the sense that,
Hmm.
that we have this thing of dismissing bad behavior or bad actions by saying कि
Hmm.
पर वो दिल से तो अच्छा है, या the intentions were good and she was on the right path, so it's fine what she did. But I found that the characters in this movie were portrayed as not nice people, to be very honest. And we've spoken about one more movie, Nikita, which I will not mention, but you say that everybody
Yeah, yeah. No, no, that has
talks
to be
about
a
the
separate
characters of that
discussion.
movie, and you think that it's actually like the joke's on us because he stands for something opposite. For me,
Hmm.
that's what this movie became. Like the joke's on us that
Hmm.
this is not what you should do. If you want to follow your passion, don't do it this way. If you want to,
Could you give a
that's
few
how the message.
examples
Sorry.
examples of incidents where the behavior you found was problematic?
If you want to, if you're so smart that you're going to be topping a class, right? Like,
Hmm.
when they have that first result and they see Rancho is top of the class and both of them are like barely scraping through.
Hmm.
You should know your capabilities as well, right? Like if he
Hmm.
doesn't need to study, that doesn't mean he takes everybody down with him and just tries to tell them कि अरे तुम्हें तो सब आता है. Like that's the kind of attitude that he doesn't need to study.
But they were studying, no? I mean, they were doing other stuff. The movie spanned 4 years of engineering
Yes.
college.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so obviously उन लोगों ने every exam, every test की पढ़ाई नहीं दिखाई. But I could, matlab, from what I saw, the entertainment part, they showed us the fun bits more because those took the story forward. But
Sure.
I don't know. I personally don't remember seeing any part where he didn't encourage them to study, or he, like Chatur passing porno magazines under the doors of other students to distract them.
Distract them. Yeah.
Vaisa, I don't think directly distractive
Yeah,
या
maybe
destructive
not
behavior.
directly
Yeah, yeah.
destructive, but not encouraging them to learn. I know he says it a lot that you should focus on learning,
Mm,
but I didn't see it as coming through. Like all his other actions were more oriented towards just chill in life and
mm,
things will happen on their own. कि ये तो हम figure out कर लेंगे, like
mm,
हम inverter बना लेंगे, and like on the spot trying to get out of trouble versus really
mm,
doing the hard work for it. So like
mm.
he dismisses. I've got the impression that he's dismissing hard work in a way. He's only talking of
Yeah,
genius,
maybe
and
because it
that's how
comes
he
so
portrays.
naturally to him,
Yes, yes,
and he doesn't have to put in that effort because it's something that he enjoys. He just opens up devices and
yeah,
appliances, and he's naturally curious.
yes,
So, and probably because he had the ability to give that ratta wala answer, पूरा इतना complicated,
perfect.
मुझसे तो कभी याद नहीं हुआ life में ऐसा कोई answer. So maybe he is naturally, his memory abilities to remember such complicated things are also good. Yeah, I guess that's true in a
Like there's
way.
never a message of, work really hard for what you want to achieve. Like out of the three of them, he
Hmm.
wanted to be an inventor. He wanted to make a difference, and he was naturally curious, so he got into engineering. Farhan was not interested, that was clear. But what
Hmm.
about Raju Rastogi, who was a regular guy next door who just wanted to study, get a job, work for his family? And there's nothing wrong with that. Maybe there's too much pressure on a child, but
Yeah.
the fact of the matter is that it's there's no need to diminish it, right? Like if a person needs to work hard to be good at something, it doesn't mean that they shouldn't do it, you know?
No, no, of course not.
Yeah, but
But I
I
think
don't think he ever mentioned that कि don't work hard. All he was trying to do was making them realize कि तुम्हारा dream different है. Find your calling types. I think he
correct.
was
In fact, he
emphasizing on
helped
that.
Raju as much as he could
Yeah.
to study.
Mm-hmm.
एंड या उसको बनना था इंजीनियर तो बन गया बनाने में हेल्प तो कर दिया उसको वही बोला ना लास्ट में ईमानदार चोर जाके उसको फेल नहीं होना चाहिए करके उसके लिए आई थिंक नाउ थोड़ा स्लाइटली डिग्रेसिंग फ्रॉम द प्रॉब्लमैटिक बिहेवियर आल्सो दिस इन फैक्ट शोड दैट दे वर विलिंग टू हेल्प अ फ्रेंड but they would not cheat themselves so paper दिख तो गया but ठीक है we'll not use that for our advantage and I think one of the good things was that even when they brought it to Raju he said no I want to do it the right way अगर fail हुआ तो fail हुआ अपने दम पे पास होंगे the same way
हाँ.
that we are trying to do हम पहले अपने दम पे करेंगे सब कुछ उसके
True.
बाद we'll see what
Yeah.
happens after that so
Yeah.
I think क्या कहते हैं कि the intentions were good and Raju's character also showed the integrity कि even though you're making it easy for me I know your intentions are good I want to do it my way
Mm.
so
That's true.
there was
That's true.
there was a balance I think the more problematic behavior was in the casual attitude towards the rules
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
okay simply disrespecting the dean ठीक है ये astronaut वाला pen उन्होंने pencil क्यों नहीं use किया that's a very cheeky question but as an engineer as somebody so smart you should know that there are things in zero gravity where a pencil can pose problems and the of all problematic things Viru's character said the way he responded I will get back to you on this instead of saying how dare you question me because that is what his personality has been like throughout the movie the dean or director, whatever his
Director.
yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
For him to respond in a way saying that I will get back to you, and he comes back with a very logical explanation as to why a pencil wouldn't work. I think that was also pretty good.
I
But
don't know but the character, the portrayal of the director itself, right?
mm,
It was exaggerated comically so that you
yes,
will never be on his side, right? And उसने कुछ भी ठीक नहीं किया लाइफ में, right? But he is
itna
the director of,
exaggerated that even when he's screaming at them, calling them rascals, he's lisping.
yes.
Okay,
Like, why does
you
he need to be such a horrible character?
yeah,
Why
yeah.
there's no shades of gray involved? Like, he's his message is very wrong. I agree. But
Mm,
at the end of the day, in India, at that point in time, for to get into a college, to get into any good educational institution, you have to follow a certain path. And he was only encouraging people to be on that path, right? So he wasn't all wrong, is all I'm saying. That there's
Yeah.
nothing, he didn't have to be made into such a horrible character कि वो उसके मुंह से जो निकले वो गलत है. That's not true.
mm.
Also, he didn't know any better actually. What he was doing or following were the norms, like the conditioning of the society that was already existing. He was just, continuing to follow that. So, yeah, I agree with your point.
Yeah, I mean, doctor बनना है या engineer बनना है, we are hearing from our childhood, right? And what,
Yeah.
like you said, या CA बनना है. Science नहीं करी तो CA बनो, science करी है तो doctor बनो, नहीं तो engineer बनो. And literally, like, लड़का हुआ तो engineer, लड़की हुई तो doctor. These are not, these are not fictitious, sadly. And
Correct,
these are not gone
correct.
from our culture. Even
And
worse.
art to it's not even a career, it's a hobby.
मतलब पढ़ाई लिखाई नहीं
What is a
आती तो
hobby?
आर्ट कर लो types.
Art, if you're into
Art.
Acha.
arts, that was not even a career. That is still not even a career. It's a hobby.
Correct. Pause real quick. No, just kidding. But if you're vibing with this conversation, would I say that in real life? Maybe not, but doesn't matter. I'm saying it now. If you're vibing with this conversation, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell icon. Yay, I remember. Because trust me, there is so much more coming your way. And yeah, basically that's it. So please do that. Thank you. Bye bye. We'll let you get back to the episode. So now that we have come to this, okay, let us put the movie and the story aside and let us go back to how our career choices how did we arrive at those? Like, मेरी तो मैंने थोड़ी सी story बता दी, but for you both, okay, how much of uh, the what you're doing today was, or what your career path was, education wise, was your own choice and decision, versus how much of it was your parents' input, or were you like parents did not give you a choice कि यही पढ़ना है, this is what you're good at, we know best what is best for you? Did either of you face something like that?
Okay, I'll go first. So today I am an artist by choice,
Hmm.
and my मेरी study का background is completely different. I come from a science background. I'm a PG diploma in healthcare management, and I'm an undergraduate of genetics and microbiology. So, so सो
My God.
माई फैमिली लाइक मेरी नानी का सपना था कि एक फैमिली में एक ना एक डॉक्टर तो होना ही चाहिए. ओके, सो on my maternal side, my cousins were getting into engineering and getting into good jobs and stuff. So the next person in line was me, a girl. So expected ki okay, doctor, go into that field. So I chose science, but today I realize कि that was never my thing at all. अगर मैं उसी वक्त arts as a career choose करती तो I would have done much better in my life. I don't have big regrets, but and also there was no pressure from my parents कि यही करना है. They used to tell me कि जो करना है करो, we are supporting you. But today I feel कि instead of saying जो करना है करो, we are supporting you, show me a direction. Like show me 2-3 paths where then I
Hmm.
can see कि कहाँ पे the weight is more, or what I really love to do, instead of just blindly leaving me by saying कि है ना, while having एक background में thought कि लड़की है और wish थी नानी की कि डॉक्टर बनना है and things like that. There was no force, but also I wish कि अगर मुझे एक direction बताते तो it would have helped me more. So, so yeah.
Hmm.
But
Wow.
then the same thing was there. My brother was again, he saw me and then he was like, नहीं science तो मेरे को करना नहीं है. तो next best option क्या था? Engineering. So he's an engineer. So that's my छोटी सी
Very
story.
interesting.
Very similar, no? But to
So
what options were given in the movie. See, she's not directly a doctor, but it's the same field, right? Same line of education that
हाँ.
genetics वगैरह करने जा रहे हो, तो obviously you are deep diving into the human body, and engineer. Okay, good. So the
But now
movie
when
was not
in my
far off from
therapy,
reality.
It's
but even
not.
in my therapy sessions and all, now when I sit and look at myself doing those classes of genetics and microbiology, सारा मेरे ऊपर से यहाँ वहाँ से चला जाता था. एंड उस समय मुझे लगता था कि am I not capable of doing even this much, but now I realize कि that was never my thing. इसलिए वो साइड से जा रहा था. It was hitting my ears, but my brain was never processing all that.
Yeah, the
तो
first time I felt stupid was in tax lectures in CA. I was like, यार सब लोग बोलते तो है मैं इतनी स्मार्ट हूँ, ये मेरे पल्ले क्यों नहीं पड़ रहा है ये सब. हाँ, go on.
exactly. Like I was an above average student. Like I used to
Hmm.
always be in the 90% and all. But जब मुझे वो concept समझ में नहीं आते थे, I used to really wonder कि what's going wrong with me. Like is it my age या फिर is something wrong with me and things like that. I used to think. But now
Hmm.
being at this age where I'm in my mid 30s, I realize कि I was not the problem. The choice was the problem.
You said something जो मेरे बिल्कुल दिल में लगा and I can't hold it in. Like when you said that I wish my parents had shown me or given me some options, that's like my biggest fear as a parent now. That will I be able to guide my child properly? Not pressure,
Hmm.
but at least open their eyes to see what is possible because nobody knows, right? Like
Yeah.
the world is changing so fast. I remember when we had gone for orientation for my kids' school, like school means nursery mein. That time people there was something which was shared about how professions are changing so fast. Like 5 years ago, these professions just didn't exist, and now they are the most sought after or highest earning. And no, as a parent, you always want your child to achieve something that A, they're good at, and B, that's good for them. That's how I feel, at least. So it really scares me that how will I figure out and show my kid these options कि ये भी कर सकते हो, ये भी कर सकते हो, ये भी कर सकते हो. And I don't know what the answer to that is, but that's one of my personal parenting
So
issues.
Yeah,
again,
same
as
here.
do we need to have all the answers as
No,
parents? But
no.
No.
yeah, exactly. So if we don't know enough, we go speak to somebody who does know. I think
Yes.
ये aptitude test or career guidance, I don't know. We've never tried for at least हमने तो हमारे लिए तो try नहीं हुआ था. So I don't know how good these are. But I think there are more avenues now to
Yes,
explore. Yeah. I think as long as we, but you didn't tell us how your
yes.
path was
I
like.
got
How
diverted
did it?
because वो मेरा बिल्कुल it's one of my fears. But anyway, so coming back to what you said about how I came to my career.
Hmm.
Um, my brother is older than me, so when he went into engineering, I said मुझे नहीं करनी. So,
अच्छा यहाँ पे भी engineer है. Oh my God. Okay.
but our parents were never of the type to tell us what to do. They were very, very open, like do what you want. I was also a topper, and when I didn't take science in 11th and 12th, I know my parents heard from people that इतने अच्छे मार्क्स है आप उसको साइंस में क्यों नहीं डाल रहे हो एंड देर लाइक हम नहीं डाल रहे हैं उसकी चॉइस है टाइप्स लाइक somebody
Exactly.
because I don't know. I think it's slightly, I'm not sure. It may be slightly different in Mumbai, but in the north, like toppers go into science, then commerce, and then it's a very clear
It's
ranking of
everywhere. Hmm.
where what you should be doing. So, like, if you score a certain mark in your 10th board, you're going into science. Like, you don't even think about going into commerce. But my parents were like, I said मुझे नहीं करना I can't do biology and physics मेरे पल्ले नहीं पड़ता है तो they said okay next best option whatever you want to do so they were very supportive but I don't know what my butt was I forgot no sorry
It's okay. Huh.
they never forced me on what to do they were always there to sort of tell me that okay if you're doing commerce this is what you can do they helped even for my job there was never any question I went abroad for my internship I moved to a different city to just for the sake of my work and they were always very supportive but maybe after some time it became when I didn't want to do that anymore because I also switched I did my
Hmm.
commerce I did my MBA from I'm Bangalore which is where Three Idiots was shot that's my school yeah and I went into investment banking dream job day zero placement everything and then recently I said I don't want to do that anymore so there was a little bit of इतनी पढ़ाई करी है इतनी मेहनत करी है then why are you they didn't say it but there is this
Mhm.
dialogue of seat waste कर रहे हो you know what I mean I don't know if you've ever heard of this like
Yeah, yeah.
IIT की seat waste कर दी
Somebody else could
IIM
have gotten it and made use of it,
yeah
and now you studied in her.
I
Okay.
think that's also a very common thing that people hear in India that you've done you've invested so much of your time and energy into a particular course of study that shifting gears is frowned upon
Hmm.
and that is something which takes a lot of courage to do as well so I'm glad that I had it but I also did it at a very later stage so I think when you're older you get a little more confident in your own decisions so it's easier to do these things but I don't know if I would have done the same when I was a 20-year-old it's easier to
So,
do it
but
when
it's
you're 30
also
something.
you have spent so much time doing something that time could have been put to better use, right? Like that's what I felt.
Yeah.
I started studying for CA parallelly with my BCom. So जैसे ही 12th standard finish हुआ BCom के साथ साथ first level of CA तब उसको P1 बोलते थे उसके लिए शुरू हो गई classes, okay? फिर second SY BCom के साथ second level. So I am preparing for two exams at the same time. And CA is one particular exam where the institute boasts कि हमारे सिर्फ 2% लोग पास होते हैं, okay? And I, during those final exams के लिए जब मैं पढ़ रही थी, I had so many thoughts on how to just revamp the entire CA system. I was like, first of all, instead of making people waste 3 to 4 years of their life, because you're doing foundation, you're doing inter or PE1, PE2, whatever, and then you're doing 3 years of internship before you appear for your final exams. और तुम फाइनल एग्जाम्स के लेवल पे लाकर उस एग्जाम को इतना टफ बना रहे हो that now there is so much at stake that people can't get out without feeling like
Yeah.
they've wasted a huge, make the entrance so tough that people who cannot pass that don't waste their time. नहीं, बट हर एग्जाम के साथ वो एग्जाम की एडमिट फीस आती है, यू हैव टू पे सो मच फॉर ऑल ऑफ दैट. आई वाज लाइक ओके, बट यू आर लिटरली, बट maybe it was also because I was also frustrated that time, so it felt very cruel. But people have wasted, I have seen people waste years, 10, 12, 14 attempts to pass CA exam. 14 attempts matlab 7 years, because साल में 2 बार एग्जाम होता है. Imagine this is 7 years after graduation. So people in their mid to late 20s, they don't have a degree proper, in addition to their graduation. So, yeah, decision, while it is easier for us to take in later stages of our life, it is also difficult to start over because
Mm.
all your peers are now in proper jobs. They are
Yeah.
earning well, whereas now you're starting again from scratch, which is not wrong. But when you're surrounded by people who now have more money to spend, who can do fancier things than you can, I think that also affects your morale, in addition to the fact that you're stuck in a place. That feeling is also not very good, to know that some agency was taken from you to make that decision. At least in my case, in your case, you chose it and then you decided to switch. But then this also comes to the fact of how the whole career thing is approached in India, right? Families usually make that decision for children, families as grown-ups in the family, not the sometimes the entire family, we don't know. And जैसा एक केस इस मूवी में भी हुआ, वेयर पेरेंट्स ने, तो फरहान का ये डायलॉग है, मेरा जन्म 5:15 पे हुआ और 5:16 पे पापा ने ये डिसाइड कर लिया कि मैं इंजीनियर बनूंगा. ठीक है. नाउ बच्चे का कैलिबर, बच्चे का इंटरेस्ट does not matter. What if this was a person who was more inclined towards the arts or sports, who did not have the mind you need for engineering? What kind of a life would this person have, not being able to pass the exams, not being able to get in, and what kind of an impact that would have had on the child? I don't know.
But then, isn't it also, like you said, somebody who is taking an arts degree, for
Mm-hmm.
instance, may not be making as much money as we know a chartered accountant does, right? Or
Mm-hmm.
as a engineer turned, like engineering degree से लोग कुछ भी करते हैं इंडिया में. So not an engineer, but you do the
Mm-hmm.
engineering degree and then you get a job in a corporate. You'll
Mm-hmm.
be getting more money than any of your classmates who decided not to do that course of
Mm-hmm.
education. So how do you compare with, how do you console your 20-year-old
But
self to this?
your classmates from arts will all be at the same level as you, right?
Yeah,
Your
but
all your
the
classmates
distinction
from
between
IIM.
your distinction between arts and science and engineering happens at what, 14, 15, right? I think across schools in
Hmm.
India. So you
Hmm.
do have 14 years of your life you've spent with some people and then you kind of split up, right?
Correct.
Into different
Correct.
paths. And then you have your cousins, neighbors, family friends, etc., etc., right? So there
Hmm.
is, how do you how would a teenager or a 20-year-old get the conviction to follow a path where, like Farhan says, कि थोड़े पैसे कम मिलेंगे, थोड़ी गाड़ी छोटी होएगी. That's a very mature thing to say. It's a
Hmm.
very, very thought out kind of a thought process, which
Hmm.
everybody doesn't have.
Hmm. Maybe
तो
that is the.
इसीलिए आई काइंड ऑफ फील कि द होल टाइमलाइन ऑफ आवर इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम itself is flawed, I feel, because at points where you have to make a career decision, that is not the correct age where you are actually, you know, you have that idea कि मेरे को क्या करना है लाइफ
You're
में.
not ready for it. Yeah.
Yeah, you're not ready to actually decide कि तुम्हें करना क्या है लाइफ में. तो अगर वो if it's pushed, you know, 3-4 साल आगे, तो I think people will be able to make better career decisions, career choices.
I
So
like that.
I think it starts from plus 1 plus 2 वहीं से शुरू होता है like, because that's the point where you have to decide कि तुम्हें कहाँ
Too
जाना है.
early. It's too
But you
early.
are like that in your 17-18-year-old person where you're already, struggling with your emotions and so many other things around you. To make a career choice at that age is a very tricky thing, and it does not work well for, I think, 75 to 80% of us. So the whole education system ka timeline, I think, needs to be reset.
That's a very interesting point. I used to always feel jealous of American universities where they get to do a major in
Choose.
economics and minor in biology. I'm like, ये
Yeah.
combination क्या है? Like, इंडिया में तो सोच ही नहीं सकते ऐसा, right?
वही है ना,
Exactly.
and people who don't choose commerce, okay, people who choose science and arts, they go through their life without learning the basics of banking, records, check लिखना, what is okay, what is not okay, passbook, अब तो चलो passbook नहीं है, but basic finances, personal taxation, खुद की income का भी everybody is going to hopefully make money in the future, right? You need to know how, what is involved, how taxes बचाने कैसे जाते हैं, या what, मतलब these are basic financial knowledge that everybody needs to have. But नहीं, 11th 10th के बाद सब तुम्हारा साइंस, उसके बाद कॉमर्स और आर्ट्स वालों को कुछ साइंस से लेना देना नहीं, एंड वाइस वर्सा. So yeah,
Yeah.
I think I think a lot of schools now introduce accounting from 8th or 9th. I don't know if it's ICSE or what. कहीं तो मैंने पढ़ा था, but I think I'm not sure about this. So maybe whatever, but they should.
But I think it's an interesting thing what you're saying. That is the timeline of decision making is
Correct.
at the wrong age.
Yeah,
And
and it's so
when
important to be financially literate. I call
correct, that's
myself
the one.
financially illiterate because at 35 I now realize कि I don't know anything. और अब मुझे
Hmm.
कोई बैठ के समझाता भी है ना, वो घुसता ही नहीं है. The numbers are like, I feel like Darshil Safari from तारे ज़मीं पर. So it's too late.
Yeah.
So so I think it
Yeah.
should be introduced very early, in our life, so that it's helpful in so many ways.
So
Oh
let
well.
us come back to what Nupur was saying. Now we have children who are we are in the position of having an experience with our own careers and knowing that parents don't always probably know the best. Sometimes we know what is right for us. We are capable of making that choice. And like Archita pointed out, maybe it's not at 14, 15, maybe it's a bit later in life. So have you both thought about how when the time comes you're going to help your children, are you going to let them take charge and just guide them, or are you going to be like no, we know better? Hopefully not, but are you going to be जो जैसा हमको
Of
सिखाया गया
course,
था, या
मेरा
जिस
बेटा तो इंजीनियर ही बनेगा. कैसे बोल दिया तुमने?
So, what have you thought about it? Have you spoken about career related things with your children? Because ये एज में तो बच्चों के बहुत मतलब कुछ खुल के उनके आते हैं ना, मुझे ये बनना है, मतलब they will say sometimes the most outlandish things, which is possible of course, but you'll feel like अच्छा ये कैसे हो सकता है, so like have such discussions happened at home with your partner or with your children about what their future could look like and how you will approach it?
Archita?
See, I feel कि this is a very tricky part about parenting, because now
Hmm.
when I realize कि my parents should have showed me a direction, I am not complaining. I also know that they didn't know any better. Okay,
Hmm.
because उनको भी किसी ने direction नहीं बताया, तो उनको भी नहीं आता था कि कैसे बोलें. The best that they could do is say कि I'm
Do whatever.
supporting you, do whatever you want to do. So that was the best that they could do. So I think I'm at a stage where maybe I want to show my daughter options. Like, you know, firstly have conversation with her, which my parents never had with me, which is like a very important thing. I want to understand कि उसके likes, dislikes क्या है, so that at least I can help her, show a way. and then she chooses her path. So maybe I will do this. That's on top of my mind right now as we speak. But then again, as time, progresses and things change, we'll see how it goes with the flow. As of now, I think having a conversation with our kids is very important to at least
Hmm.
understand कि वो कौन से direction में सोच रहे हैं.
Correct.
It's interesting that it's kind of like an evolution, right? Our parents, our grandparents, or maybe that generation would have said ki do this or do this, and our parents saw that and said ki no, I don't want to be like that. I'm generalizing here. My parents said I don't want
Yes,
to be like
God.
that. So so my parents said that I'll support you in what you want to do, and now I'm also kind of going down the path of Archita, that I will support, but I will, if you want guidance, I will also guide, but it's
Hmm.
more important that you keep the channel of communication open. So it's
Right.
Hmm.
it's kind of how you're evolving over generations and trying to do better than,
Yeah.
or trying to fix what didn't work for you.
Yeah.
Have you thought about it yet, Nikita? Aren't your kids too small for this?
So for me, I academically, मैं इतना I'm not pushing anything at this stage because she's only in year three.
Hmm.
But I have noticed that she is very musically inclined. She sings well without training. Okay, she can hold a tune. She has a good voice. She's playing instruments on her own. वो गाना सुनती है उसके पास कीबोर्ड है. She's able to figure out the notes. She wants to be a rock star, or she wants to make music. So while this is not traditionally something that Indians are encouraging their children to, unless they are from music families themselves, I mean, this is something I am going to encourage her to explore in addition to having a basic education. Higher education, specialized education ke pehle, because if she's good at this and if this is something that she wants to do, I am not going to stop. So I think it's also about noticing what your children are naturally good
Yes.
at. इन एडिशन मतलब पढ़ाई है, पढ़ाई नहीं करना ये नहीं बोल रहे, बेसिक एजुकेशन सबको होना चाहिए. इफ नथिंग एल्स, टू बी एबल टू हैव योर लाइफ इन ऑर्डर, लाइक फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी होनी चाहिए. यू शुड नो हाउ टू सर्वाइव इन दिस वर्ल्ड. फॉर दैट सम लेवल ऑफ एजुकेशन इज नीडेड. बट डू यू नीड टू गो इन टू specialized education? Do you need to do a management course? Do you need to become a doctor? Do you need to do engineering? Not everybody needs to do that. Maybe you're good at other things. So my focus
Or
is
maybe
now
you
on.
are good at it, or maybe you like,
Yeah, but
not
you
to
won't
this
know until you
doctors
find
and
out. So
engineers, right? Like those
correct.
two careers have become kind of easy targets, I think, to say कि डॉक्टर और इंजीनियर नहीं बनना है, बट कईयों को बनना है, बनने दो ना.
But they are also very. So if she says she wants to do that, I'm not going to say no. My logic is I'm not going to push her towards these.
How are you
I'm not
able
going to.
to, how are you able to balance this idea of like, if she's good at this, you're encouraging it,
Mhm.
uh, but does it then at some point become trying to make them explore too many things?
No, because मेरे पास bandwidth नहीं है. My brain cannot handle so many things. It's overwhelming for me. So if she's good at it, she has to work hard for it, obviously. If you want to keep it as a hobby, there is nothing wrong with keeping music as a hobby. You sing for fun, you play music at with friends, you jam if you want something. If that is what you want to keep it as, there's nothing wrong with that. But if that is what something she wants to pursue, she has to focus a little bit on that as well, from now. Based on my personal experience, it's just that when my child says that, hey, this I'm good at this, I want to try this as a hobby or whatever, no, don't dismiss it. Because मुझे ये बोला गया था कि इससे क्या होने वाला है, तुम
Hmm.
पढ़ाई
हाँ.
पे ध्यान दो.
Hmm.
ये
True.
क्या है? ये सब तो टाइम पास के लिए होता है, तुम करो ना टाइम पास, इस पे पैसे क्यों खर्च करने, why are you wasting time on this?
True.
I was not to toot my own horn, but naturally good at quite a lot of things. Everything that I'm doing today, right from video recording to editing to writing captions or whatever it is self-taught. Learned from obviously watching videos, so it's not completely खुद से discover किया. But इसमें से कुछ भी basic English grammar के अलावा स्कूल में कुछ भी नहीं सीखा जो मैं आज कर रही हूँ. तो एजुकेशन इज इम्पोर्टेंट, बट वही लाइक यू सेड, देयर आर सो मेनी न्यू प्रोफेशंस दैट हैव जस्ट कम अप. यू डोंट नो कि 10 साल 15 साल बाद जब हमारे बच्चे वर्कफोर्स एंटर करेंगे, तब क्या क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज होंगी उनके पास. एंड sometimes I feel like while parents have good intentions at heart, they are limiting their children's opportunities by saying you should do what we know best rather than what they know best. Sometimes we should also trust our children to, that they know themselves well, because whatever career path, it's the same as choosing a partner, right? You have to do this for the rest of your life, you have to live with this person for the rest of your life. So how can we make this choice for them unilaterally in consultation with them? Yes, of course, but
I agree with you what you said. I'm just like the intentions may be right, no? Like you can't make a career, not everybody can make a career out of writing or
correct.
singing
Hmm.
or art.
Hmm.
Or so when a parent says that don't waste time on this, maybe a better way to say it, but they're also trying to tell the ways of the world to a child.
Yeah.
So there's some value
Mm-hmm.
in sharing information about how things are with the
Hmm.
child as well, because the child may know what they're good at. Like my son loves building Lego. Uska bas chale to his whole life will be spent in a room full of Lego, but maybe that's not practical. Like there's no
He could
job in.
design for
I don't
Legos.
know. Maybe there
He
is.
could design, he
Maybe
could
there
develop.
isn't.
Yeah.
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 Maybe there
So
will be one.
maybe there will be, but I have to tell him that at the moment, nobody in this world it gets paid for doing this. So you have to figure out how to also earn money because you have to live in the world, right? So
Aren't
it's
there
not about
major Lego installations that people go to see?
like
Are those people not getting paid?
they would like one or ten handful of people in the world, right? So again, I'm not saying that I'm going to discourage him and tell him to stop doing Lego,
Mm-hmm.
but children don't always know the whole story, right?
Correct.
So it's not entirely incorrect to try and tell them to think of a bigger picture rather
What
than a
age
small.
group are you talking about here when you say children don't know the whole picture?
I would say until even their late teens. I don't even want to talk to my son right now as a 10-year-old about his career, right? It's too far
Mm.
away.
Mm.
It's not the right age. But
Mm.
when he's at a stage when he is thinking of career paths and
Mm.
choices, he may do well to hear about experiences from adults.
Mm.
Maybe me or maybe somebody else, but
Mm.
it there is value in hearing a wider perspective rather than just relying on what I know and I'm really good at this, so this is what I want to do and I will follow my passion.
That's true. But I think, yeah, the age at which they are now, and from now until the age where they have to make a choice, I think being given the freedom to explore different parts or different options would
Help.
open up their minds
Yeah.
also to what, because they also need to know whether they enjoy doing something. And okay, this is a very good thing about, I think it's the same in the rest of Europe as well, that children are encouraged to do summer jobs,
Hmm.
right?
Yes.
And you can do an apprenticeship, you can, before you can defer your college and your further studies, and you can do an apprenticeship to see what working in whatever you are choosing to do actually is like, and you get the first hand experience of seeing whether this is something, if you see yourself doing this for the rest of your life.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is something that India lacks.
Yeah.
Okay. Also, there is dignity of labor here. Like if your
Mm-hmm.
child ends up working a summer job or a part-time job at a restaurant or say a salon or a garage or whatever, it's not looked down upon. Or in a construction site, it's not looked down upon. जबकि इंडिया में तुझे मजदूरी करनी है जाके, तू लोगों के बाल काटेगा, and at least now hairdressers have a little more respect, than they are not called barbers, they are called hairstylists and hairdressers. So at least I think that job is a little more respectful or respectable in society's eyes. But try karne do. I think children should also be given the opportunity to try what
Yeah.
they want to do.
Very
Usse,
true.
because it makes the decision easier for them also, because they can actually see what it's like rather than having this, rosy image of some dream job that they have, which in reality might not turn out to be the same.
And that's where the parent support also comes in, right? Ki
Correct.
go for it.
Just
Take a
do the
gap
job.
year after school.
Yes. Yes.
Explore the world, see what things
Yes.
are like. Yeah,
And if children want to change their mind like you did, I think they should be allowed to.
they
Why
should
not?
be.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And that's a wrap for part one of our Three Idiots discussion. We've barely scratched the surface, okay? Trust me, there is a lot more coming up. So we'll see you in part two, where things are about to get even more real, even more relatable, and who knows what else. So take care of yourself, hug your babies a little tight today, and share a couple of reels with your friends, because that's what friendship is these days, right? And we'll see you next time. Bye. Take care.